TA. I am Alexis Oxendine, a 12th grader here in the engineering program, and I'll be showing you around. Okay, so if you look around, you'll see that we have a lot of stuff going on. Like, there's always something going on here. Like, even the first thing you see when you walk in are these drawers, this workspace full of cleaning supplies and other different kind of little bits and whatsits and everything else. And you see these little machines, and these are actually part of our programming unit in POE, which is Principles of Engineering, which is what you would be taking as a junior. And this is actually what you would also be taking as a junior. It is a little box, and as you turn this, it's supposed to make a design go up and down. It's a little hard to visualize here, so here's a prototype that one of our students made. It's pretty cute, and you notice that it doesn't quite work properly, but again, it's part of the scientific process. You have to make something that doesn't work before you figure out what does work. And if you look in here, you'll see we have a lot of equipment that we have available just at our hands, and students can come in here and grab what they need and, you know, do what you need. All right, you see we have a few printers here actually. This one just finished printing things for that little box mechanism I just showed you. And if you look even more around, there's so much here. You'll see that we have like tons of little screws and nuts and bolts available all the time for our students. Papers, scissors, little tools, little mechanisms here. We have like I said, craft things. We have breadboards, which are these little things that you create circuits with. This one's a little tiny, but we have bigger ones. We have wire strippers, pliers, soldering irons, which I will show you in a moment. Different kinds of buttons, different kinds of like motors and servos, and you'll learn the difference between all of these. It seems difficult, but once you get in here, it is not. Or it is not difficult. It's very simple. All right. This one here is Dusty. Like I said, he's part of our programming unit. And what he does is he draws lines on roads. He's my personal favorite because a lot of love went into his programming. His arms move up and down to create dashed lines in the road. Isn't he cute? All right. And he is just a little bit of the programming logic that you will be doing in this course. This is part of the digital electronics class here, which is what I'm taking as a senior. And it's our little random number generator. And we do this partially to learn programming logic, but we also do it to learn how to solder, which is very important in learning how to make circuits. All right, and that being said, there's so much here that we have, like we have our drones here. This is the only school in the county that offers this course. You will get a drone certification upon completion of the test and course. And you see we work our way, up in the sizes, and this is our big one. Our baby, our Phantom. And like I said, only school in the county that come on, $500 in 20 minutes. All right, you see this printer's printing. It's actually finished. We have to get that. We have some little projects and whatnots here. This is actually part of our POE beam deflection. This is part where we learn how much does material bend whenever you apply weight to it. So you look at this and you think, that's too far apart. It won't hold, someone like of an average size. Well, we do different kinds of equations and we find out it does hold that kind of weight, which is very useful in construction, which is another, it goes hand in hand with engineering here. And if you come over here, you'll see all different kinds of circuits that you do in DE, which, like I showed you before, with the little soldering number generator. This is our Midax, and you wire it, and this is actually a programmable logic device. As you'll see, we do a lot of programming in here, and it's so easy after a while once you get used to it. And you'll have the PLTW website the entire way along. It's very explanatory. It's very useful. This is Multisim, which is another tool we use here, along with Autodesk, which is what you would be using in IED, which is over here if you will follow me. Again, it's a very big classroom. It allows for a lot of activities. All right, if you zoom in here, or look over here, you'll see that this is just part of Autodesk Inventor, which is where you take 2D objects, sorry it's been a while since I've used this, and you turn it into 3D objects. There it is. See, one of our students, well, this is just a model, turned this from a 2D drawing into a 3D model, which is what we also use as what we use to 3D print. And there's a lot more to do here, but that's honestly just the bare part of the ice. Like, we aren't even close to diving in deep yet. But there's a lot to do here, and you'll find that out if you come and join us at ATA. It's an amazing place, and I think you'll enjoy it.
Hi, my name's Meredith Smith. I'm the engineering teacher here at ATA. I hope you seriously consider coming out here. The program here is very different. We're lots of hands-on materials. We don't sit at computers all day. You're not going to take standard written tests here either. You're going to learn how to think. You're going to learn how to do. So come on out. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at my email address, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.